Hello, I have a 1998 John Deere 425 lawn tractor. I want to bypass the electric solenoid to see if it is causing my problem. Tractor will run for a short time and just die. New battery, rebuilt carb, new coils, fuel filter, the works. It also will cycle sometimes before it dies.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your John Deere tractor? How old is it?
It was cleaned, rebuilt carb and added all new parts as described. It is a 1998.
How long has this been going on with your John Deere tractor? What have you tried so far?
Tried new battery, rebuilt carb, new coils, fuel filter, the works. It also will cycle sometimes before it dies.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I think this should be enough.
Hello. My name is I have been a small engine technician for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance. I see that you have a 425 Deere and you want to bypass the fuel solenoid. Is that correct?
I would like to bypass the fuel solenoid. I want to see if it fixes the issue before I invest in an expensive part. Did you see my replies online?
Okay. There are two ways that you can bypass the solenoid. You can find a screw with the same thread pattern as the solenoid and thread it into the hole. Or you can cut the plunger tip off of the solenoid to deactivate it and then reinstall the solenoid.
Thanks, dig in further and give one of these methods a try.
Great. Keep me updated.
How do I log in and add a picture to this thread?
There should be an upload icon on the chat box.
File attached, GSMQQQT. This is not a fuel solenoid, it seems like a emission solenoid with the lines coming from the carburetor.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.